Most smart TVs show a brief black screen for a moment when a video loops. This can be distracting for your customers. To solve this, I recommend creating a continuous video file that is at least 1 hour long. This ensures your video stays on the screen without interruption. I will show you how on the macOS system first. Open the video file in QuickTime Player. You can see the current video length here. Go to Edit. Add clip to end. Select the same file. You can see it has been added. Since the video length was 40 seconds, we will make 3 blocks to make it 2 minutes, so that way it is easier to do the math. Then select the 3 blocks, Ctrl+C to copy and Ctrl+V to paste, so it will add 2 minutes every time. We will repeat this until we make it to 10 minutes. Now it is 10 minutes long. Hit Done. Save the video file. Now we are going to open the extended video file. You can see the length is now 10 minutes. Open it. We will repeat the same steps to make it to 60 minutes now. Choose the 10-minute long video we created. Now we are going to copy and paste 2 blocks each time. Since it is already 20 minutes, we will repeat it 2 times more, so 40 minutes is added to make it 60 minutes. Now it is 1 hour long. Save the file again. You can replace the first extended video file. Now we will check the size of the file. Next, I will show you how to do it on the Windows operation. Visit CapCut.com to use the browser version. You will need to create an account. Choose 16:9 for horizontal, 9:16 for vertical orientation. Upload the video file. Since we are going to copy and paste the same video clip over and over, let's zoom it out. Click on the video file from the left panel. Keep clicking on it to place more until it reaches 10 minutes. Let's zoom it out again. We are going to select the copied clips we made. It is now 10 minutes long. Bring the bar to the end of the video. Paste them here. You can use the shortcut keys, Ctrl+C to copy and Ctrl+V to paste. It is now 60 minutes long. Let's export it. Choose 1080p, 30 frames per second and MP4 format. We can also rename it. The speed of the process will depend on the computer. And hit download. Now, if you try to move your video to your USB and get an error message, don't worry. It is likely because of the FAT32 4GB limit. Most USB sticks cannot hold a single file larger than 4 GB, regardless of their total capacity. If your 1-hour video is too big, you can either shorten the video to 45 minutes or export it at a slightly lower quality setting. This ensures your file is compatible with almost any smart TV on the market. That's all for today, everyone. Thank you for staying with me. If you enjoyed this video, hit like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments what you want to learn next. If you want to skip the setup, you can grab the editable template from my store. The link is in the description. I'll see you again soon.